This is Mateo with Weld. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 180 DVT. The MIG 180 DVT is a dual voltage machine, so you can run it at 120 or 230. Welds up to a 3/8. It's a MIG machine. You can MIG weld with it, you can flux core with it, and those are the two features for it. So we have two dials on the front. Left one is for your wire feed speed, and the right one's for your voltage. It comes with your MIG torch that's already connected to the machine. It's a fixed MIG torch. You don't have to worry about losing that guy. Same with the ground clamp. It's also fixed into the machine. It comes with a power cord adapter, so you can run it on your 120 and 230. Then it comes with your basic gas hose and regulator here. And then it just comes with some basic extra parts if you need them here. Your flux core nozzle, an extra drive roll, a couple extra contact tips there. Alrighty, so today we're going to be running some regular 30.30 MIG wire here. I'm going to go ahead and cut this off. Okay, so for this, we're just going to hook it up to the back, put our cover on, then our spring, then our tension nut. You want this on there just enough. You don't want it pushed all the way against it tight. You want it to be able to move a little bit. You want the wire to feed underneath. Your drive roll here comes with 30-35 wire or 423. Today we're running 30, so we want that one facing outward. Put that on there, and then put your cover back over the top. Okay, so now we're going to feed this through right over the top of the drive roll into your gun. Lock it in place. You want this not super tight, but you don't want it loose. If you have it too tight, it's not going to pull through smoothly. If you have it too loose, too much is going to pull through. We're going to run this on 120 today. So go ahead and unwrap this guy, plug her into your power cord adapter here. Plug her in here. Okay. So now we can turn this guy on. I like to take all this off. It just allows it to feed in quicker. Here we go. Once your wire's through the top, put your contact back in, nozzle back on. Make sure you're grounded on something not rusted or painted or anything like that, and it's a good secure ground, and you're good to go. Before you start welding, hook up our gas here. So we have a regulator and our gas hose. So one end of the gas hose goes into your regulator. Your regulator goes into your gas tank here. Secure it with the wrench, and then the other end of your gas hose in the back here. You got your power switch, power cord, your gas input. There's a cover on it when you first open it. Plug that guy in there. Once you turn the gas on, your gauge will read, and then you'll be ready to weld.